What's up guys, welcome back to the Phone Guy, and in this video I will be talking about all the leaks and rumors for the upcoming Nokia 9. Actually we were expecting this device to come earlier, but Nokia had planned something different and they released the Nokia 8 Sirocco and Nokia 7 Plus recently when they were having their Nokia conference. But now we have many upcoming rumors which are just for this device, the Nokia 9, and you can see right now on the display we have a beautiful leaked image of this device which shows that it is going to have a triple camera setup like the Huawei P20 Pro, and there are many details which have been leaked about this device, and in this video I will be just covering all those leaks and rumors. So let's start with the very first thing, which is the camera. You can see now we will have a triple camera setup on this device like the Huawei's P20 Pro. Huawei P20 Pro offers a total of 68 megapixels, but Nokia 9 is expected to have a jump a little higher than this, and we are going to have three cameras. The one will be 41 megapixels plus a 20 megapixels camera, and the third one will be 9.7 megapixels, and we don't know what will be the arrangement of these cameras. Like the Huawei has done, the RGB sensor and the telephoto sensors are there, so we will expect something better from this camera. Actually, when we had Nokia previously with 41 megapixels, I think it was Nokia 1020, and the cameras were amazing and their zooming quality was just awesome. And now this time let's see what happens, and you can see we have some other details like Snapdragon 845 will be there. Obviously it is the latest Snapdragon, and we will be having 8 gigabytes of RAM on this device. And Nokia previously has released the models like Nokia 8 in which the Snapdragon 835 was used, and the Nokia 8 Sirocco with dual camera setup and a beautiful design language is also having the same Snapdragon 835, but in this Nokia 9 we will be having the Snapdragon 845. But the main thing or main focus point on this device will be its cameras. Actually it is now going to compete with the Huawei P20 Pro, which is having the highest DxO mark rating now, which is 109. There is no cell phone right now which is up to the competition with this device, and we are expecting that Nokia is going to release this phone with the cameras which will be better competitors with other devices out there. And now let's have a look on all the specifications which this device is going to have. Actually all the specifications have been leaked. You can see it will be 6.01 inch AMOLED display, and it will be an 18 by 9 aspect ratio, and we are going to have the ceramic black plate and 18 karat gold finish. That is very great to know. And the main camera will be the 41 megapixels bigger sensor, and we will obviously having the 20 megapixels and 9.7 megapixel sensors with optical image stabilizations and many more features which you can read out in here. And I will be just focusing on a few other features like fast charging capabilities, you can see, which is present in the bottom, and the 8 gigabytes of RAM. Obviously it is going to play a major role on this device, and this is going to have the fast charging 60% fast charge in 30 minutes and IP68 rating. And all these features speak about that this is going to be one very high-end device by Nokia. After almost 1.5 years Nokia have been here, so we expect some great things now with the Nokia 9, and I will be covering all the leaks and rumors which are further coming for this device on this channel. Actually Nokia have been here for quite a long time, and they have not offered something very big in the camera department, and their devices are actually good, but they are not so competitive right now. In the mid-range they are doing great, but for the flagship devices they need to do work. So let's see what happens with the Nokia 9. So that is guys, this was all about the rumors of this device right now, and I hope you highly enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace out.